Next question from Joe. Yo, boss, did you enjoy growing endive slash frisee? What are the challenges, spacing, transplant, or direct seed? And why was slash wasn't it a winning crop for you? Thanks a ton. Yeah, I did growing that. I did enjoy growing those. I did Radicchio. So I've grown endive and frisee, and I've done the blanching and all that. It's just not that much of a demand thing for me in my market stream, so it wasn't something that lasted for me. I think I did it once, but I did find a niche for Radicchio, and that actually became part of my. It was a thing that I offered, but I also put it in my salad mixes. But it's kind of sketchy to put it in salad mixes because you have to take a knife to it, and if you have to take a knife to something to cut up, like you'll see it if you look at some of those like store-bought salad mixes, they have like cut up slices of radicchio in them. um and then that goes into a whole other level of food processing, so I wouldn't suggest doing that. But it is a good crop to grow, especially for restaurants. They loved it. I'd grow nice heads, red radicchio. I forget the variety, eludes me right now, but there's not that many to choose from. But yeah, it's a great crop. It's transplanted, same density as head lettuce, so 6-inch centers, 4 rows on a 30-inch bed, 6 inches between. It's a great paper pot transplanter crop. I did it actually in my garden. I did it as a as a crop in the garden this season. So it was great. So yeah, I love it. And you can sell it for good money. I think I was getting $2 a head at restaurants for, like a nice size head like that. And $3 at a farmer's market. So it's a great crop. Winning crop? No, it's not. I mean, it's a winning crop as in it's great to grow, but you can only sell so much of it. Excuse me. I don't have the coronavirus, in case you're wondering. I see people commenting about this in here. Everybody's talking about this.